Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Yashanwadi and in this today's video we will see file structure in ADBMS. I will keep it very clear and easy to understand this slide. This is the first slide of our video introduction. In an ADBMS, Advanced Database Management System, which is known as efficiently data stores and access plays a crucial role in determining the overall performance of the system. In this, one of the core components that enables is efficiently in the file structure. The third one is file structure, which referred to the methodology of organization and storing data in secondary storage, like hard disks in other format, which is operation like insertion, deletion, update, and retrieval can be performed efficiently. The file structure defines how it is data logically organized and stored as is in the DBMS. Act as bridge between logical data modeling and physical storage. It is the crucial and performance, especially in the large scale of distribution database. In this slide, we will see the objective of file structure in ADBMS. Number first, it efficient storage and retrieval of data. Number second, minimize the number of data disk in I/O operations. The organization data in a way that supports fast searching and sorting. It also supports efficient insertion, deletion, and updates in the large database. It handles large volumes of data across the distribution. It improves overall performance of query execution. It ensures the data consistency and integrity during transaction. It also helps to manage indexing and clustering optimization of access paths. Importance of file structure in ADBMS. It reduces the number of disk accesses during the query execution. It also supports efficient indexing and search operation. The essential for managing large-scale and distribution database is supported by the file structure in ADBMS. It also improves performance of insertion, deletion, and update operations. It ensures fast data access can be organized by data efficiency. It facilitates data consistency across multiple users and sites. It also supports transaction management and concurrency controls. Now we will see the types of file organization in the ADBMS. Number first is heap file organization. It works with the data blocks. The data blocks, when records are inserted, it does not require the sorting or order of records. When the data is blocked, it is full. The new record is stored in some other blocks, which helps the this is the new data block needed not to be very nice data block, but is take and stores a data block in the memory to store new records. Suppose we want to insert a new data record which is R2 in a heap. If the data block 3 is full, then it will be inserted in any of the data VMS situated in the DBMS. Let's say the data that block 1. Now we will see the hash file organization. As in the record, the data you can see the diagram given in the organization. Hash file organization uses the computation of hash file functions on some field of the records. The hash function output determines the location of these blocks where the records are to be placed. Whenever a record has to be retrieved using the hash key columns, the address is generated. The whole record is retrieved using the address. In the same way, when a new record has to be inserted, then the address is generated using the hash key, and it is also recorded directly inserted. The same process is applied in the case of deletion and update. B plus file organization. The B plus file tree organization is an advanced method of index sequential access method. It uses a tree-like structure to store record in the file. In the diagram, you can see the file organization which is B plus tree file. It uses the same concept of key index where the primary key is used to sort the records. For each primary key, the value of index is generated and mapping with the records. All the records are stored only at the leaf node. The intermediate node acts as a pointer to the leaf node. It does not contain any records. There are do not store the actual record. They have only pointers to the leaf node. There is only one leaf node which has values, that is 10, 12, 17, 20, 24, and 27 and 29 as given in this video. Index sequential access method, which is also known as ISAM. The ISAM method in the advanced sequential file organization is the method which records are stored in the files using the primary key. An index value is generated for each primary key and mapped with the records. This index contains address of records in the file. If any record has to be retrieved based on its index value, the address of the data block is fetched and the record is retrieved from the memory. In the last slides, we will see cluster file organization, where the two or more records are stored in the same file. It is known as cluster files. This file will have two or more tables in the same data block and key attributes, which are used to map tables and tables format together, which are stored only once. The cluster file organization is used when there is frequently need for joining the tables with the same condition. This is the method we can directly insert, update and delete any record in the cluster file organization. I am ending the video. Thank you for watching the video.